Hi, my name is Kiraz, and I'm a software engineering manager on Microsoft Clarity. In this video, we will cover custom filters on Clarity. These include custom tags, custom events, and custom user IDs. I will go over how to set them up, how they can help you identify sessions you care about, and how you can use them in our other features. Custom filters are a deceptively powerful set of features that unlock many possibilities for you. For example, you can use custom tags to do A/B comparison, custom ID to see a user's journey across devices, and custom events to set funnels with certain user actions in them. Before we get started, be aware that all our custom filter features require JavaScript code to be added on your site. We have documentation that will take you through how to use our APIs for each, which is linked in our description. Custom tags are key value pairs that can help you identify certain sessions. Think of them as creating your own set of filters within Clarity for you to track anything you may care about. The possibilities are limitless here, anything from version number to features that you're testing on your site. For example, on Clarity, we use it to mark sessions where our users left feedback and the type of feedback. In your website code, you call Clarity with the string set as the first variable, the key as the second variable, and the value as the third variable, which makes window.clarity set feature new header. If you have a mobile app instead, in your app code, you can call setCustomTagAPI function with first variable key, second variable value, which makes setCustomTagAPI key value. Once you include this in your code, you will start to see custom tags in our filter panel under custom filters. You can add as many custom tags as you want as filters. You can also select as many values as you're interested in for a single tag, even all of them. We also allow for excluding the custom tags so that you only see sessions where a key value pair does not exist. Aside from filtering on these custom tags, you can also add custom tags to your watch list. Watch our video on this feature for more details. You can also see what custom tags exist in any session when you go to the More Details under Event Timeline within the details of a specific page view. It's important to note, custom tags don't have a timestamp attached, so they should be used more as tagging a whole page view rather than as an event. For that, we have custom events. Custom events, also known as API events, are events on your site that you want to track on Clarity. We do also have a no-code feature, Smart Events, to create events based on a group of clicks or URL visits. The custom events, however, give you a lot more control over pinpointing exactly what scenario triggers an event. We recommend using the custom events for more complicated scenarios that either don't depend on clicks or are made up of a series of clicks or very specific buttons. In your website code, you call Clarity with the string event as the first variable and the event name as the second variable, which makes window.clarity event event name. Once this is implemented, your API event is treated like other smart events. You will be able to see your API event under Settings, Smart Events. You will be able to set it as a filter by going to the Filter panel. Under User Actions, you will find the Smart Events filter where the API event will be one of the drop-down options. Recordings will also show your custom event on the scrubber and under More Details in the event timeline. Aside from these, just like other smart events, you can use your custom event as one of the steps in creating funnels. You can watch our recordings on both smart events and funnels if you'd like to find out more details about these. Our final custom filter feature is custom identity. Clarity has its own anonymous identifying mechanism called Clarity User ID. However, this does not persist across different browsers or devices. If you have your own way of identifying your users, anything from email for logged in users to GUID, you can use this feature to ensure you can see a user's journey across browsers and devices. Beyond identifying the user your own way, you can also identify sessions and pages. If your website has its own way of tracking these, you can send this information to us in the same Identify API. In your website code, you call Clarity with the string identify as the first variable, the user ID as the second variable, session ID the third, page ID the fourth, which makes window.clarity identify custom ID custom session ID, custom page ID. If you have a mobile app instead, in your app code, you can call set custom user ID with custom user ID as the variable to set the user ID, or set custom session ID with custom session ID as the variable to set session ID. Once you implement this in your code, you can start to filter on any of the custom user ID, session ID, or page ID inside the filter panel under custom filters. You can also see these custom IDs in a recording under more details. We always hash the user ID that you pass us on the client before sending it to Clarity servers for security purposes. This means that when you look at more details on our site, you will see asterisks after just a few characters to keep the anonymity. However, when you filter with the full email address, we will still be able to match to the hashed value. When you set a custom user ID as a filter, recordings will show you the visitor profile instead of just the regular list of recordings. To get more details on this, you can watch our visitor profile video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.